Hello traders, I'm not going to say hope you are doing great because I'm sure many of you would not be doing great today because markets were super volatile, right? From Nifty to Bank Nifty to US futures to India VIX was also super volatile. India VIX was, today morning I saw India VIX was up by more than 500, not 500, sorry. It was up by more than 6%. I think it crossed 20. And today as the market closed, it was somewhere around 2.5%. In between it came to 1.5. And even US futures were super volatile. It was going up and there. And we don't have to say about Nifty and Bank Nifty, our own market. I really don't know how you people manage, but I can tell you, or I'll just give you an example. I had a short straddle on Bank Nifty from Friday. So I've been managing that short straddle for at least 5 trading sessions. Till now, I'm not seeing that trade in the green. So in spite of all these things, still that trade is in the red only. Why I'm saying this is because that is the amount of volatility we are experiencing in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is much worse. Bank Nifty is one of the hardest thing to trade in this market. So this is Bank Nifty chart, and if you see from today's open, that is around 41,267 levels to 41,997. Barely 100 points difference, right? From open to close, there is only difference of maybe less than 100 points. But in between, it has gone to 40,800 and it has gone to 41,300, a swing of more than 600, 700 points. And when it comes to Nifty, same story. It is happening around, I think Nifty opened at around 17,400 and closed somewhere around 17,743 and closed somewhere around 17,715, barely 25 or 50 points, but in between it has gone to 17,600 and high was around 17,800, a swing of more than 300 plus points in Nifty. But this is all due to only one reason, and you know what is the reason? That is today I've been saying this for last 2 or 3 days, 3 trading session. In fact, we have been talking about this US Federal Reserve interest rate hike from last Wednesday, right? So today is the day, and today around 11:30 p.m. The US Federal Reserve will come out with interest rate hike, whether it is 50 basis point, 75 basis point or full 100 basis point, 1%. We really don't know that. When we will come to know? 11:30. Now 11:30, when US Federal Reserve is releasing the interest rate hike, that is an event. After that, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will come out maybe around 12 o'clock, 12 to 12:30. He will do a press conference and he will say what is the stance or what is the status quo of Federal Reserve, whether they are dovish or whether they are hawkish. That is the main thing to observe. So if you are interested in US markets, or if you are a person who follow US market, you can follow the US market. And if you ask me where to follow the US market, very, very simple. You don't have to I don't think any of the OTT platforms or any DTH service is providing US financial markets live broadcast. So if you want, you can go to YouTube and search for Yahoo Finance, where you can see US market full streaming, live streaming from open to close, right? So you just go to YouTube and search for Yahoo Finance, and you can find all the details in that YouTube channel. How much is the interest rate hike? What is Jerome Powell telling? A to Z. Whatever happens in the US market is lively broadcasted in that YouTube channel, right? Now, now you know what is the scenario and what is happening in the US market. Probably, if at all there is any good news, maybe our market will rally. Already it is very resilient. It doesn't want to, no matter what happened, it doesn't want to come down. In fact, tomorrow is expiry. I'm talking about 22nd September expiry. That is tomorrow. And if you see the open interest, or if you see the charts, there were no theta decay at all. No matter what, there were no theta decay at all. Right? Let us say you had taken a 41,200 short straddle in Bank Nifty, right? Let me change the screen. Yeah. This is the Bank Nifty chart, right? So let us say you have taken a 41,200 short straddle. I will just show you the open interest and you can see how the price have never ever changed at all. So this is the 41,000. If you see here, today's morning, from today's morning, today morning 41,200 call option was trading at 377 and now it closed at around 358 rupees. And if you see this is a call option, and if you see the put option, same scenario, almost same scenario. So there was no theta decay at all. That is because India VIX shot up very nicely, and there was this is the 14,200 put option opened today at 289 and in fact closed higher at around 321. So had you done a short straddle today morning, I'm sure you would have been in a minor loss. But that is okay. Before even these things happen, there is nothing we can do. And today morning, I was seeing open interest. When it comes to open interest, I was seeing, I'll tell you about Bank Nifty. I was seeing 41,500 call option being written aggressively. So when the market were falling, if you see this chart, when the markets were falling drastically, I'm talking about Bank Nifty. Yeah, this is not Bank Nifty. Let me go to Bank Nifty chart, right? So if you see here, from 41,300 levels or 41,400 levels, when the market were coming down to 40,900 levels, right? 41,400 to 40,000, it has crossed 40,000, and in fact it is going towards 40,800. So around 700 points drop in Bank Nifty, and obviously anyone would have thought, okay, market is going to go down, and they would have shorted the call option, right? Now what I saw here is, this is the open interest of Bank Nifty, and if you see, this is around 1145, 41,000, this is not this one. This one. This one. 41,000 had a open interest of around 1.7 million, which means 1 million is 10 lakh. Around 17 lakh contracts in 41,500. And look at the time of 3:30 when our markets were closing. 41. I'm talking about 41. Sorry, I told 41,500. Let me rectify this. This one, around 1145, 41,000, right? Where is that 41,000? This one, 41,000 call option had just around 339, 3,90,000 open interest at 41,000. And when the market fell, as I told you, see here, market fell drastically, 700 points, Bank Nifty dropping 700 points, and obviously everyone will do a sell a call option. In fact, today's live video also, I told you can go and sell a call option, and from 3,90,000 call open interest, pending open interest, it shot up to around 20 lakh. Where is 3,90,000 and 20 lakh? And eventually, if you see here, around 215, you see what happened to this 41. From 20 lakh, it has come to 10 lakh, and at the close of today, it has come to almost around 4,30,000. So you can imagine how much these people have booked losses. Those who had written 41,000 call option could have booked losses, right? Anyway, 41,500 is having the highest open interest, 42,000 is having the highest open interest, and this open interest is not as reliable as what we think. It may break, and our big brothers, the fight between FIIs and DIIs, still these people are here. We will have to manage this. There is no other way, whether we like it or not, right? So in Nifty also, we are seeing around 17,700 call options, 17,800. So call options are being written more than put option. So maybe smart money or maybe retailer like us believe the market may not go on the higher side, and they have written more call option, and this is in regards to open interest. So these volatile moves would have crushed many of people's loss or profit, right? And when it comes to FIIs have sold for just around 461 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 538 crores. And this is the status of the today's market, right? So let us see how things pan out, and last but not least, let us also check what is happening in the US market. As I talk to you, US future is all up by, I think Dow Jones is up by around 0.5% or 157 points. S&P 500 is up by 0.5% or 21 points, and Nasdaq is also up by 0.5%. S&P VIX is down by 1.5%, and Europe is also in the green. So hopefully maybe we will gap up tomorrow if things work or things go fine, which the probability of happening is very, very less. So before the Fed event, these things happen, and the market will show positive signs only. As and when we near the Fed event, we will know the real face of the market, right? So I think I have summarized everything. All the best. Take care. Trade safely, and I hope you have hedged your position. See you all tomorrow.